Officer, I heard about your daughter. She is very beautiful. Is it true?
My daughter's 18, okay? Stay away from her, you feathered menace. I will fucking kill you and I'll spend the rest of my life in prison.
She's texting me like she's 30. Maybe she needs a real parent, not a rage machine with a badge.
Officer, can I take your wife on a date?
You talk like that again and I'll put you in lockup.
Lockup? Please. You've been married 15 years and still can't keep her happy. I figure you already know how to cage a bird.
Man, got him! Woo!
If you want to make